Hello there, Nomad Media here with another tutorial on a very simplistic Unreal Engine 4.27 maze game. Today we're going to be learning how to use some of the tools and features inside of Unreal Engine. Now, this will be excluding blueprints because that's a whole nother thing. That's going to be addressed in another tutorial because that's a little bit more complex. Once you understand the principles and everything, you can pretty much figure out how to do anything by yourself. Now, the first tool that we will be learning to use is the Place Actors panel. Now, this tool allows us to place objects, meshes, actors, as the name of the panel suggests, and this basically allows us to really flesh out the environment. Like, if I go over here and delete everything in the world outliner, then we have a completely blank level. What we can do is, well, another tool that we could use is the light mixer. You go to window, go down to light mixer and just basically include every one of the settings up at the very top of the panel that pops up, and that'll introduce very basic lighting. You get some clouds in there too, and what I like to do is, for just setting up a basic level to test features and everything, like player movement, animation, enemy AI and stuff, I place down a box geometry mesh and I center it first off, so it's at the very center of the world, and then I scale it up to 2000 by 2000 by 20. So then we can have like a nice little platform to walk around on and everything like that. Now, another tool that we just used is the details panel. That this tool allows us to modify all of the properties of a object that we place in the scene environment. Now, the world settings allows us to change the settings in the world, so this isn't global, it's just local to the level that you're in right here. And this basically allows us, for example, to override the game mode. So then if we have a game mode base, we could have the level use that instead of the default one. Now, the world outliner basically shows everything that you have placed down in the scene. If we go over to blueprints at the very top of the editor, we will see a open level blueprint, and this will allow us to change things that are local, like script events and stuff that are local to this level. Once again, it's not global, so if we have another level, then we could have different scripts set up in each one. For example, if you wanted to make a pre-rendered cutscene, you could use another level in place of the other one. You just make a copy of it, then yeah, and you could set up a I forgot what it was called, a sequence. Yeah, level sequence, and this basically allows you to script events in the level, which, yeah, it's easier to do in Unreal Engine 5. I've used it, but my computer can't really handle it, so for like this tutorial, we will be using Unreal Engine 4.27. Now, another thing we could do is make a material, and a material is basically what a object uses to color or apply a texture to itself. So if we just wanted to have a global texture of black to color anything that we need to black, then we could do this. Now, to bring up this right here, instead of typing in vector 3 or something like that, I can't remember, we could just hold down 3 on your keyboard and left click, and that brings up that right there. Now, 1 brings up a constant variable. It starts off at 0 because computers are indexed to 0, and it kind of makes sense that way. And with that, we can change all kinds of stuff. Now, getting into like very very simplistic blueprints, with some you can connect multiple. With most of them, you can connect multiple nodes to the output node of a node. I guess that's not very good. It's not explained very well in my part, but yeah, it's just like that and completely Vanta blacking it right there. Nope, we forgot one more thing right there. There we go. Now then, this should be completely black, the surface of it. Now, if I'm thinking, yeah, right, I was thinking correctly. I was hoping I was. Now then, this is completely black. Alright, well that will be it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Now, that will be it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I will be releasing another tutorial soon. And I do have to say, sorry for not uploading recently. I've been having troubles with my internet. Right now, we don't even have a router in our house because we had to return our most recent one. Pro tip, don't get T-Mobile home internet. It sucks balls. The customer service sucks. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be releasing a new tutorial soon. Thank you.